What's up, y'all? It's me, Krabs with a Z. It has been so long. Not really. It's been like a month and a half. So here's a quick video to see what I've been up to. In like 2 weeks, I am turning 30, which is old. It's old. But I want to stay youthful, so I promised myself I would pick up a new hobby, something I've been wanting to do since I was very little. So, this just came in the mail. What? Yeah. Let's see if I can just not break my neck. Okay. Okay. First time riding. Getting it. Trying to. My parents thought it would be fun if I went all the way down to the mailboxes to get the mail for them. It's gonna be a long journey. We're gonna check the mail. I work so hard to get down here. Look at that. Okay. Here we go. Back on board. Okay. Yeah. Day 2 of riding this thing. Also, I got new glasses and I'm really geeking out because I'm a geek, and these glasses have magnets in them. Ugh. Here we go. So in August, I had my 30th birthday. Don't ask me how it was because I don't remember. I got real drunk. Sam drove me home. Everything was safe. But I'm 30 now, which is weird. Yeah. It's really not that weird. I do forget that I'm 30. It's just like another year. It's real weird. Things have been chaotic in my life. I'm working with a chef that is just brilliant and has all of these projects he wants to launch. Our first one is a rooftop bar on a hotel in Ouray, which, if any of you guys watch The Ranch, Ouray is that first opening scene of the intro and theme song. It's known as the Switzerland of America because it's just set in between two mountains. Just gorgeous. The rooftop restaurant. I can't ever be mad at work because of the views I have while cooking. It's just spectacular. What's up, y'all? This is the restaurant we've been working on for the last month. We're about a week into opening. I'm out of breath because it's on the 3rd floor and there's only stairs and the elevation is high. But I'm behind the bar right now. This comes up. There's a hydraulic lift right there. It comes up. All your beer bottles are here, or liquor. There's the beer. It's the rooftop bar. Look at those views. Yeah, have a cocktail. Watch the sun go down over the mountains. It's pretty sweet. All of our hard work's been paying off. It's been a very long month and a half for me. I know everybody else, GM and owner wise, probably a long 2 months. This is my area. Boom. The kitchen. Look at that. Yeah. Anyone want a dishwashing job? The view is awesome. This is our dumbwaiter, so we don't have to walk 3 flights of stairs with boxes of potatoes and busloads of lobster. Samantha got me the best birthday present I could have asked for, and I have been asking for. She got me a rock tumbler. That takes so long. You guys, if you want to be a rock polisher, have patience. Have patience. What's up, y'all? It's me, Krabs with a Z. Today is August 12th, 2020, which means I am officially 30 years old. And this is all I really wanted for my birthday. My lovely wife came through. Check it. We're about to shine some rocks. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh. Check it out. Also gonna hit the river up, get some more rocks. I assume since Sam got me this present, that's just her giving me permission to bring more rocks into the house. Alright, here we go. First round. Okay. Excuse the grossness. It's been non-stop working. But grit number 1 is done. Time for grit number 2. We're shining rocks. This one just shapes it, I think. It's really... Oh! Looking better already. Ooh, look at it. Mom's excited. Mom, we can go rock hunting the next 2 days. Boom. Grid number 3. Another 6 days. 6 days. Alright. Rocks are fun. This is fun.
No.
Yes? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
What?
It's time to change the rocks again. Oh yeah. Looney, are you excited about rocks? Oh, rocks! It's been a long journey. Long journey to get us to these shiny rocks. 4 weeks. But don't forget, you know, naturally rivers take hundreds and thousands of years to form beautiful things like the Grand Canyon. And this only took us 4 weeks to form beautiful rocks. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. Ooh, they're so shiny. So, with the combination of pushing a skateboard and my ankle being like, this is a new muscle, we don't use that often, and opening a rooftop restaurant and climbing 3 sets, 4 sets of stairs daily, you know, anywhere from 5 to 25 times a day, and turning 30 and getting old, your body starts to break and shut down.
That could be the outward appearance of human figures. Do you see where I'm going with this? Some of the Fantastic Beasts series is actually...
usually get a night off. Let's see, in the my first 2-week paycheck for the new restaurant, I clocked 153 hours in 2 weeks. So being able to spend some time at home with my mom and dad and Sam is really rare. So I wanted to do something special for them while I was home. Hey, guess what?
What?
Guess what I'm making?
Deep fried Oreos.
Kinda.
What do you mean, kinda?
Drunken deep fried Oreos.
What does that mean?
I put Bailey's in the mix.
Really?
Yeah, don't tell anyone, it's a secret.
Oh.
See if
I'm
my
sure
mom
your
can
will
taste
be
it.
okay with that.
See if she can taste it. Hi, bud.
This is about how they do here, too.
It's lovely. Drunken deep fried Oreos.
Oh no. Oh yes.
So, on my day off, I did what every good restaurant industry staff person does. I stayed away from the restaurant. No, I did not. But Sam and I did go and get some delicious desserts and cocktails. Because, yeah, that's what you do on your day off. You go to your place of work and you get drunk. Hi. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much it. That's my August. You saw it. It's work, food, basically the same thing, and rocks. Learned how to skateboard until unfortunate circumstances brought tendonitis, and I had to wear a boot for most of August. But you can see I put on a hoodie. The temperature has dropped drastically. We're into 42 degrees right now, and watch for September's video because it's probably going to feature snow. See ya.